Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I'm doing it for a friend, making it for her bedroom. So I am going to be doing a 16 by 40, a very large canvas, so it can go over her bed. If you saw a few videos back, I did a collaboration with my good friend Mark Ratcliffe from over in the UK. He has a painting that he did that I asked him if it'd be okay if I kind of mimicked some of his technique on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a traditional Dutch pour, but I'm going to basically cover the entire canvas with color and white. So I'll explain it more when I get you down onto the canvas. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so what I have here is a 16 by 40 canvas. I'm going to flood it with white, and then I'm going to layer colors down, and then I'm going to flood over the colors with more white, and then I'm going to blow them all out. The colors that we're going to work with today are Amsterdam's Phthalo Blue. Got that in my container already. We're going to go with Amsterdam Turquoise Blue, Amsterdam's Permanent Red Violet, DecoArt 24 Karat Gold, Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue, a new color I haven't used before, Arteza's Pearl Lime Green. I'm very excited to use that. And then I'm using Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flood this canvas, and then I'm going to speed you up through this process because this white I went back to using my Loft Flow Acrylic White. And I'm hoping I don't get the white cells that we are having a problem with. So I did not use as much water. So in this giant jug right here, I've got 800 grams of Floetrol, 400 grams of Loft White, and I've only got 15 grams of water. The water's really not that much in there, so it probably isn't going to make a difference. So I know for a fact when you use less water, you don't get the cells. So it's just a lot harder to get the canvas flooded because the paint doesn't move around as easily. So, all right, I'm going to get this going. I'll speed you up and I'll be back. All right, I'm going to start with the blue. All right, so now we're going to pour the base white around the color. Right. Not to fear, I have more. Okay, then we're going to come through on this side. Excellent. Woo. All right, now let's pop the air bubbles. Okay. All right, let's blow the white over the colors. let's let that sit for a few minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to blow out to the corners and kind of fan my way up and out. Okay, while I like this, I am going to add a lot more paint, and I'm going to blow again. Okay, I might regret this. Ugh, my dogs. Why are they barking? Mailman's already been here. I'm definitely gonna have to mix up more paint after this because I'm using it all. Dun, dun, dun. Want to be careful with the gold. I am going to come back in with some white. Just to kind of help break up these colors. Whoa. That could have been dangerous. Almost poured my blue all over everything. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing with my blow dryer that I did before. I'm going to blow down and then up. Okay, that's better. Had to get some paint off of there. That was way too much paint on the canvas. Woo, this is stunning. What I'm going to do, I am going to scrape the bottom of the canvas to get all the drips. Then I will take you down so I can show you the wet result. So I will be right back. Okay, here is the wet result. Guys, I am so happy I made the adjustments to this. I liked what I had before, I will say. It was just too plain. She likes some color. And what I did is when I put my colors down on the canvas, I just didn't put enough paint down. So what I decided to do is just dump more paint over top of it and then blow it all out. So this actually turned out like one of my previous pieces. So, but I'm in love with the color selection, and everything that I used is really showing up. So I'll bring you in for a close-up. So this is how it's meant to hang on the wall. So if you picture a bed, and that's this how it's gonna hang like this over a bed. So, all right, I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up down here, starting in the bottom right. Gorgeous. I mean, look at how all the colors play. You know, you got the 24 karat gold, you have the iridescence, you also have that Arteza pearl lime green. That just is a beautiful color, and there it is right there, making the cells. All the paint's interacting is creating all these extra cells. I blew it now, so I've blown this twice to get paint off of the canvas. So I pray I do not get any cracking, because once this dries and gets resin, gets a coat of crystal resin on it, it is going to be fantastic. So I started off making a piece using Mark's technique and switched over to my own technique because I just didn't put enough paint down. So when I go back, I guarantee you, I probably didn't watch Mark's video good enough. And so I missed out, but I'm guessing I needed more paint on the canvas. Just stunning though, guys. So let this dry, and then I will show you the dried result, all right? I'll be right back. All right, everyone, this is not completely dry, so I'm gonna speed through this because I don't want it to shift, but it's set up pretty well that I can do this. Gorgeous. I love how this turned out. So let me bring you in for a close-up. Just beautiful coloring. I love how the colors have mixed. Oh boy, I'm so glad I decided to blow all the colors out over top of this. Tons of cells, and that's just because of all the iridescence and the 24 karat gold. Everything mingles in. So here you can see where it's still wet. So I need to speed this up. But I wanted to get this on the video before I have to leave for work today. Got to work this weekend. So just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really hope my friend loves this. I know she loves bright colors. It's got so much shine and shimmer from all the iridescence and the gold. So, all right, everyone, as always, if you're interested in my pieces, email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think of this piece. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. All right, everyone, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.